Hello and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to join two nodes together. To do this, select your shape and choose the node tool or shortcut A. Then select the two nodes you want to join and simply click on the join curve at the top. You can also do this with angular curves. If it looks a bit slant, simply set the nodes to sharp. And if you want to join the two endpoints in the middle, use the Align tool and click on Align Center. Here you can see that when you click on the node, they are not connected but only centered. So we have to join the nodes as before. Or you can click directly on the node you want to join with the pen tool while drawing. And with the pencil tool you can also set it so that the curve always closes directly. If you liked the video, please leave a subscribe.